So I made this stretch of the week video for a former client, Cindy. It's going to help you a lot if you sit down a lot and you have that rolled over shoulder thing. Let me know in the comments what you think. Check it out. All right, Cindy, we can start this today. First, stretch of the week. We got resistance band flies, and just as I described it yesterday, we're going to just hold. If the resistance that you are holding is not enough, meaning it's not challenging enough, simply start over and move your hands closer together before you pull it apart. This is our stretch of the week. We're simply holding, keeping our back straight. This is very similar to the deadlift motion that we want with our shoulder blades together and our upper back straight. And then from there, we're going to turn this into our exercise challenge of the week, which is repetitions of this exact hold, same form, same posture, and we're pumping out reps. Let's try to go for 20 to 25 reps after each hold for a total of 150 by the end of this week. You got this. Good luck.